addressing a prevalent issue that haunts many: what to do when sleep eludes you. Indeed, this is a scenario we're all too familiar with. The relentless ticking of the clock, our minds embarking on a thought unable to succumb to the sweet call of rest. It's exasperating, isn't it? In fact, according to the American Sleep Association, approximately 30% of adults have short-term insomnia, and about 10% of adults grapple with chronic insomnia. Even more fascinating, insomnia is one of the most common problems faced by humans, tracing its roots back to the inception of time. But there's a silver lining. You are not alone in this struggle. Besides, there's an array of remedies to this malady. And here's the best part. We've compiled some effective strategies to help you triumph over those restless nights. Tip number 1, create a bedtime routine. It's not just for kids, folks. A consistent pre-sleep routine is a signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Think of it as setting the stage for a great performance, your peaceful night's sleep. This could involve sipping a warm, caffeine-free drink, reading a few pages of a book, or even a gentle stretch to relax your muscles. The key is consistency. Establishing a consistent pre-sleep routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Tip number 2, limit screen time before bed. Now you might wonder, why is this important? Our screens, be it smartphones, computers, or televisions, emit a type of light known as blue light. This seemingly harmless light can meddle with our body's internal clock, making it harder for us to fall asleep. Instead of scrolling through social feeds or binge watching your favorite shows, try reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing some light stretching. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Tip number 3, try relaxation techniques. There's a world of methods out there, but let's focus on a few that are particularly effective. Deep breathing can slow your heart rate and lower your stress levels. Meditation, even for a few minutes, can clear your mind and promote inner peace. Lastly, progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then release each muscle group, can relieve physical tension. Deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Tip number 4, create a comfortable sleep environment. This is more significant than you might think. Imagine trying to sleep on a lumpy mattress or in a room that's too hot. Not very restful, is it? Your surroundings can profoundly impact your sleep quality. Ideal conditions include a cool room, around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Darkness is also crucial, so consider investing in blackout curtains or an eye mask. Lastly, limit noise as much as possible. Maybe it's time to confront that squeaky ceiling fan. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to promote restful sleep. And finally, tip number 5, if you can't fall asleep, get out of bed. You may think that staying put is your best bet, but this can sometimes lead to increased anxiety, making it even harder to fall asleep. Instead, try a quiet activity, such as reading a book or listening to some calming music. This can help to distract your mind and reset your internal sleep clock. So remember, don't just stay there. Get up and do something calming. Lying in bed awake can create anxiety and make it even harder to sleep. Remember, everyone's sleep patterns are different. So It may take some trial and error to find what works best for you. We've explored establishing a routine, limiting screen time, trying relaxation techniques, creating a cozy sleep environment, and when all else fails, stepping out of bed. Feel free to experiment with these strategies and discover what brings you the most restful slumber. We hope these tips help you get the restful sleep you deserve. Thanks for watching our faceless video. Sleep tight.